Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Breville Oracle Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was tripping the gfci, and that was as soon as you plug it in. So we pretty much had to disassemble the whole machine, pretty much make sure there's not any electrical wires touching each other, then there's nothing well and everything. And yeah, we just give it a good check, and now as you can see it's working perfectly fine. We also replaced the boiler gaskets on the top of the machine, one of these two boilers that are here. And yeah, that's all we did to the machine. So let's test it out, starting with one shot of espresso that I'll be using the grinder, and then we're gonna use a little bit of hot water and then the steam. Alright, so we have the coffee ready set and prepare. There you go. This is some hot water so we can clean our cup, as well as the steamer. Looks like it's a little bit clogged, so let's just unclog it. You can just do this with a paper clip as well, and that will just clear pretty much the whole thing, and you can just assemble it, and yeah, you can see it's way better than it was for sure. Now that the cup is hot, let's just do a shot of espresso. Hopefully the grind that I picked for this machine is good, otherwise you're gonna see just drip coffee. And unfortunately it needs to be a little bit more finer. But you can see a little bit of crema coming out of the machine. You can have that shot in it. Pretty good, 2 ounces of water, a little bit of crema in there, and yeah. There you have it, Breville Oracle working once again. Thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.